Hi, time for another egg experiment with faith and science.
Holy smoke! Can someone open a window, please? Holy smoke! Exploring faith and science.
Hi, I'm Faye, otherwise known as the Batty Boffin, and today we're going to be doing some science with an egg. I'm going to be fitting this egg into the narrow neck of my flask. Now, I realise that you might not have a flask at home, but I'm sure you can find maybe something like a jar or a vase that's got a narrow neck. Now, my egg is too big to fit down there, but I'm going to make it go in using science and a bag of frozen sweet corn. Let's see how. So, to get the egg into my flask, I put it in a plastic bag here, not because it needs it for the experiment, but just because it's so handy to get it out again. I'm also just wanted a little bit of water around the outside for lubrication. So that's my egg in a bag so I can get it back out. Now what I'm going to do is make the air inside my flask warm. I've just got some warm water in here. I'm just going to swirl it around, try and get the air in here nice and warm. Tip it out, pop the egg in and push it down a little so that it makes a nice seal. And then here comes the bit. We've got some sweet corn and we've got some peas. Any frozen veg will do. And as we place them on here, with a bit of luck, the egg should start sliding down into the flask. Now, during the pause, can you see if you can work out what's going on? Right, we've got the egg inside the flask. You can see the condensation around here where it's got all chilly. So, when we cooled down the hot air, the air took up less space in here, which reduced the pressure on the inside. And we had greater pressure on the outside. Of course, we had normal air pressure out here, and reduced air pressure inside. And so the greater pressure on the outside pushed the egg in. And now we can use the bag to get it out again. And I think my egg's actually falling apart a bit. So egg sandwiches for me for tea, if I can actually get it out. Ooh, oh yeah, that's definitely, definitely egg sandwiches for me. So that's the end of our great egg-speriment. And eggs, of course, remind us of Easter, when Jesus died and rose again and made everything new, to give us new life. Eggs are a great symbol of new life, even if they are a bit cracked sometimes. See you next time.